Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make mini cheesecakes. This is an easy recipe you can do with the family and have for parties. Please hit that like as it helps me, as well as leave a comment. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do is blend up our crackers. Now we're going to add our crackers to the bowl. And to that we're going to add some cinnamon. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to give this a stir. Now we're going to add our crust to the bottom. Now we're going to be adding 2 things of cream cheese. Now we're going to add 3 eggs. And we're going to blend until smooth. So as we can see, it's nice and creamy. Now as we have it nice and creamy like this, we're gonna also add a secret ingredient, which is gonna be some condensed milk. And I'm gonna be using about a half a can. And then we're gonna continue to blend. So this is about the consistency you want. That slow drip. Now we will be filling our pans with our mix. And I'm using an ice cream scooper because it seemed to give me just the right amount of ingredients, because you don't want to overfill them. Now I'll be placing these into the oven on 350 for 15 minutes, and then I'll be right back to y'all. So now we're gonna make our caramel sauce by first adding our butter. To our butter, we're gonna add a cup of light brown sugar. And now we're gonna add a half a cup of half and half. And then to this, we're gonna add about a capful of vanilla extract, maybe about a half more. And give it a stir. And just like that, we made caramel. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we got us some caramel. Look at that. And you could store this in the refrigerator. I would say about for a month it'll last. I also decided to make some strawberries as well to put on top. Which, if you guys want to see the recipe for the strawberries, I will leave it down in the description down below. I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging. So now we're gonna add our caramel. To the top. And the other half, we're gonna be adding our strawberries. Now I'm gonna place these back in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then I'll be right back to y'all. And just like that, here go our mini cheesecakes. Look at that strawberry. Look at that caramel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. And if you made it to the end of this video, you're a real one. I appreciate you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Until next time, peace.